Hello, everyone. Welcome to EaseUS channel. Lenovo laptops are popular around the world, such as ThinkPad, Legion, Yoga, or other models. Therefore, many people want to know how to quickly record online courses, record lectures, conference videos, etc. when using Lenovo computers. This video will show you 3 ways to screen record on Lenovo laptop. In my experience, the first and second methods are great for beginners and intermediate users. Of course, if you are a professional user, you can also try the third method. Now, let's get started. The first way is to use a screen recorder called EaseUS RecExperts, which is suitable for any user, including novices and professionals. You can easily capture the screen in different modes, such as full screen or partial screen. In addition, you can choose to record the screen with or without audio. Moreover, it offers many other features, including scheduled recording, take screenshots, auto split, and more. Now, I will show you how to use EaseUS RecExperts. First, go to the official website and click Free Download. After installation, open EaseUS RecExperts. You can choose full screen or regional screen mode. In addition, it allows you to record the webcam. You can choose to record system sound, microphone, or both. After that, click the orange button Record, and you will see a 3-second countdown. Then a record bar will appear on the screen. You can tap the camera icon to take a screenshot, set the automatic end of recording time, or tap the pen icon to access the on-screen editing function. If you want to end the recording, just click the red button and your recording will be saved directly here. This is how to use EaseUS RecExperts. The second way is to use the Xbox game bar, which many game users are familiar with. It can help users record games, videos, etc. However, it does not support recording the desktop and file explorer. The easiest way to open it is through press Windows and G. Then click on Capture icon. There will be screenshot and recording functions. Click on Record. After that, clicking the blue button will end the recording. You can click on the blue pop-up window to get to the video for making subsequent clips. The final option is to use OBS Studio, an open-source recording software. This free software works perfectly on Lenovo laptops, making video recording and live streaming very easy. While it performs professionally in screen recording, it's a bit complicated for novices due to its complex user interface. So, if you're the first time to use it, you might need to watch some tutorials. Here is how to use OBS to screen record on Lenovo laptop. First, open OBS. You need to create a new scene. In the source panel, click the Add, select Display Capture, then choose the source of the screen you want to record, and click OK. Then click Start Recording. If you want to end the recording, click Stop Recording directly. If you want to review what you just recorded, click Show Recordings in the file directory. Those are 3 ways to screen record on the Lenovo laptop. In conclusion, for anyone who wants a simple and powerful screen recording tool, it is highly recommended that you choose EaseUS RecExperts, which can meet almost all your screen recording needs. Now go and try it. Thanks for watching.